Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be playing some Subway Surfers. It's been a while since I've made a Subway Surfers video, but I'm back with another Subway Surfers video. So yeah, just loading the game now, and we'll be getting underway. No, come on, just load. Okay, yep, it's loading now. Loading. There we go. No ads. Okay, can I just play now? Okay. As you all know, that I am very, very good at Subway Surfers. Maybe. But we'll see. We will see. Carl Mooney? Stupid Carl Mooney. Distract me with your video. No, I don't want notifications. What was Carl's video? What's it? Okay, got rid of it. I'll watch it after, Carl, don't worry. I watch all of your videos. Oh, I need that star. Now, this used to be a really popular game back in the day. Making the game earn more of its money. Well, yesterday... Bloody hell, why did I do that? Well, yesterday I did unlock Trixie. See if it goes up. No, just go away. Go on to... I have Trixie. I'm gonna use Trixie now. So yeah. Okay, I have a star. Most boringest video in the whole world, isn't it? Maybe we should just do running commentary. Oh, lucky. What's that? Double jump. Oh, you can go high. Oh, that ended pretty quick. Does it mean if you get a coin? I don't even know. Does it mean if you get a coin it doubles? Or I don't understand really. So, yeah. I've never known what the star has done, but yeah. God, I'm so lucky to dodge that. Other side. Still fighting. Need to stay alive. Gotta jump on the train, jump on the trains. Okay, well, I don't know what that is. It's the double jump, I think, isn't it? 10 plus multiplayer? What? How is that gonna help me now? Okay, I got another one of these things. Okay, got this. You have a magnet. Got another one. Bloody hell, what did I do that for? I'm such a dumb person. Have you seen Carl Mooney's Q&A? Many plays cringe, I don't care, Carl. All you haters out there, especially Carl Mooney. Such a... Golden boots. Never knew Trixie won the golden boot. That was an awful joke. Oh, bloody hell. Alright guys, that's where I'm going to end today's video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. Please do like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Bye bye.